Christmas party, and I just thought I would show you this sweater. My mother bought me this, oh my gosh, a couple months ago, probably longer than that. I don't know, it was September, I think. Anyways, it is so cute. It's got snowflakes and reindeer. And it's really nice and warm, and it's cold today, so I'm just going to wear this over my cream colored sweater that I have. I'm going to wear it as a jacket because it's kind of warm in there where we're going. But headed to a Christmas party today at the Blind Association, and I'm looking forward to it because Ronnie is singing today, and I'm hoping to get a little bit of footage of that. Son waiting for the bus. We ready to go to the Cabell Wing Christmas party?
Oh, I'll tell you what, I've been looking forward to this, honey, for a very, very long time, and I'll tell you, we are in for a treat today.
We're going to have fun today, guys, and we're going to take you guys along, hopefully, and get some footage. This one here is singing today. Are you ready?
Oh, I am more than ready. I'll tell you, I've been practicing up, especially yesterday, and I'll tell you, it's just going to be, well, I guess a segment of it will be what we call a Kinzer Christmas, because I'm in the Christmas spirit, and I hope that those of you that are watching are very much in the Christmas spirit, because you know what? Every day can be Christmas.
Can you guys tell that I'm marrying a DJ?
Well, that's been a few years back, honey.
Yeah, but you never lost it, sweetheart. You never lost it. All right, guys. We'll see you guys at the Christmas party. Made it to the party, didn't we, baby?
Oh, yeah.
We got a gorgeous tree behind us and a lot of beautiful decorations. Anyway,
oh, it's going to be wonderful. There's
and the food smells really good.
The food smells good, from what I can tell. We got ham, mashed potatoes, turkey, corn, green beans. You can
tell all that from the smell.
Pumpkin pie. Oh, my nose! I'll tell you what. I may be blind, but the nose picks up everything.
I'm ready to eat. I'm hungry.
Rolls,
didn't eat any breakfast.
Oh,
rolls. And what do you think for dessert?
Oh well, I believe we're going to have pumpkin pie. I'm probably going to have pumpkin pie, probably an apple and a coconut. I figure I think there's a few different options there.
Well, whatever it is, it smells awfully good in here.
We wish, I'll tell you what, you that are watching, we wished you were here. But I'll tell you what, after we eat, we'll tell you all the results of it.
Everlasting life and salvation full and free. On the 4th day of Christmas, Jesus came to be. Love for all men, peace in my heart. Everlasting life and salvation full and free. Oh, beautiful star of Bethlehem, oh, shine upon us until the glory dawns, and give us thy light to guide the way into that land of perfect day. Oh, beautiful star in Bethlehem, shine on.
Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some.
Hey guys, I just got home from the Christmas party. It was so nice. Won 2 door prizes today, which was really fun because I think I may have won something last year, but I think I won a piggy bank last year. This year I won a really pretty angel and a Christmas ornament. It was really cute. Had good food, good fun seeing some friends. Enjoyed ourselves today, and now I'm going to get out of these clothes and put on jeans and a t-shirt, and I think I'm going to wrap some Christmas presents, and I think that's going to be the end of my day today. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of my day and the first Christmas party that I'm attending this year. I hope you guys are having fabulous holiday fun as much as we are. Anyhow, I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching Kiddos Corral. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that like button if you enjoy these day in the life videos. And I'll be talking to you all again soon. Bye, guys.